applause for the guys in the triples. Thanks, Brian. Let's hear it for the triples, folks. Thank you very, very much. That's a tremendous sound. I don't know if it's possible to bottle sound, but if you could, we'd all be buying bottles. Alex, can I have a very brief word with you about the triples? Because in the paddock here, listening to those bikes, and the noise is phenomenal. Just quickly, tell us what it was like riding one of these bikes.
Well, where do you want to start? I mean, obviously the noise is something else. I don't think speed doesn't matter that much. It's the actual noise, and the noise, you can do 100 miles an hour, but if there's 5 bikes doing 100 miles an hour, it sounds fantastic. I know you're talking about at Mallory Park and so on. I was at the race of the year, and Cooper was there as well, with Agostini and so on and so forth. And there was like dozens of these things going round. The noise, it just goes through you, you know, it's such a pleasant feeling. Well, it is, it gives you a migraine, you know, there. But the sound of them all together coming down the straight, you can hear it for miles. You can hear it in Jersey probably. And because of the fact that they were just made from road bikes, made into works bikes from road bikes, that really appealed to the public. And they all went out and bought them, you know, and a lot of people who still have them, you know, definitely want to keep them. I love them. It's my favourite sound. Not MVs, Honda 6, yes. Triple MV, yes, but Triumph or Bezos, 3-cylinder ones, and some of them together, unsurpassed, can't beat it. Do you guys like that noise?
Yeah, we all like that noise, don't we?
What?
And thanks,
we'll do it again in a minute.
Alex, it's great having somebody here who's actually raced these
bikes. We're still riding them now.
Yeah, of course.
Still riding them now, you know, we've got one there, Neil's got one across there, that's a cracker. It's good, bike. And they walks at it. But they're all females, you understand?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Constant attention and high maintenance.
Oh, you're in dangerous ground here, Alex.
That's me going to hospital for the week, I'll tell you.
Anyway, Alex, it's great having you here in the midst of the
Yeah, it's good
the
to see you
bikes
too,
and-
mate.
Yeah,
And, you
yeah.
keeping
And it's
well?
great to have this crowd here. Yeah, I'm keeping well, thanks.
Yeah.
And
You're
you are.
looking terrible, most of
Thanks very much.
Okay.
Yeah, my black moustache is going a bit paler. You know, it's not as black as it used to
Where's
be.
the rest of it?
But anyway, great having you here, Alex.
Okay, we're here, yeah.
And
We'll enjoy
you-
ourselves.
You'll be here when we have Wayne Gardner, and
Oh, yeah.
and you'll be well acquainted with Roger, obviously.
Indeed. All right, mate. All right, mate. Yeah. All right.
Okay,
Yeah,
big
good
round of
bunch.
applause for
Enjoy
Alex George.
yourselves.
Thank you, Alex.